IELTS Part 161. Rolling over vacation days. Any vacation days that are not used up by the end of the calendar year will not be lost. Instead, they may be rolled over and added to the vacation days for the following year. This policy does not apply to sick days. Section 3. You should spend 20 minutes on question 28 to 40, which are based on the reading passage below. Stonehenge. Approximately 2 miles west of the Amnesbury, Wiltshire in southern England, stands Stonehenge, one of the world's most famous megalithic monuments. The remains of Stonehenge consist of a series of stone structures arranged in layers of circular and horseshoe-like patterns. The horseshoe-like patterns are there, and there are certain theories and myths concerning this mysterious monument. They have flourished for thousands of years. The Danes, Egyptians, Druids are just a few of the groups who have been credited with building of Stonehenge. Some people have even made attempts to prove that aliens erected the Stonehenge. Early historians believed that the monument was constructed as a memorial to nobles killed in the combat, while others, later theorists, describe Stonehenge as a place of sacrificial ceremonies. Regardless of who built the monuments and why, all the legends surrounding these megaliths are based on speculations. With the exception of archaeological evidence, very little of what we understand about Stonehenge today can actually be called fact. Stonehenge was constructed in 3 phases during the Neolithic and Bronze Age periods. Stonehenge Period 1, also commonly referred to as Phase 1, is believed to have occurred sometime around 300 BC. I beg your pardon, please. 3000 BC, before Common Era. During the Middle Neolithic period, in this first step of the construction, picks made of deer antlers were used to dig a series of 56 pits. These pits were later named Aubrey Holes, after an English scholar. Outside the holes was dug a large circular henge, a ditch with an earthen wall. During this phase, a break and entranceway was also dug on the northeast corner of the henge. Archaeologists today refer to this break as avenue. 2 stones were set in the avenue. The slaughter stone was placed just inside the circle, while the heel stone was placed 27 meters down the avenue. The heel stone weighs about 35 tons and is made of natural sandstone, believed to have enlarged and originated from Marlborough Downs, an area 20 miles north of the monument. The 35-foot wide avenue is set so that from the center of the Stonehenge, a person would be able to see the sunrise to the left of the heel stone. Just inside the henge, 4 other station stones were placed in a rectangular formation. There is a great debate over how long the first phase of Stonehenge was used and when the original alterations were made. However, The second phase is generally placed between 2900 BCE to 2400 BCE.